To turn off Wi-Fi on your T-Mobile gateway via the web interface, start by ensuring you're connected to the gateway's network, either through Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Open a web browser and go to 192.168.12.1. Log in using admin as the username and the password found on the gateway's sticker or your T-Mobile account. Navigate to the Wi-Fi or Settings tab. Here, you'll find toggles to disable the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands separately. Turn both off. Save your changes, and the Wi-Fi will disable in seconds. This method gives you direct control, and turning off Wi-Fi helps with security and power usage. Alternatively, use the T-Mobile app on your iOS or Android device. Log in with your T-Mobile account. Go to Home Internet, then Device Settings, and finally Wi-Fi Controls. Here you can select Turn off Wi-Fi or disable specific bands. Confirm your changes. The app syncs remotely to the gateway. This method offers convenience, especially for remote management. Keep in mind that some users have reported occasional sync delays, particularly in rural areas. The app is the recommended way to disable your Wi-Fi for T-Mobile gateways, allowing for remote access.